Here's a 52-inch Harbor Breeze Rutherford ceiling fan here at my grandma's house. This is in the new inner living room here. This is the only ceiling fan here that she has. It's a Harbor Breeze. Alright. First off, we'll show you the lights. Check this. Oh yeah, you got lights up top there. You got lights down here and here. This is pretty cool. See? You can have that one on, the ones below, or all together. Alright guys, now for the heck of it, let's get the fans going. Start out with low speed here. Here we go. Sure is hot in here. This is a very nice fan. Oh, and one of my friends has one of these too. I really like this fan. Just like that Harbor Breeze Moon Globe one with the glass on top. There's the top of it. This will be a quick video because I got stuff to do, so I gotta try to make this quick, so I'm trying to hurry. Alright. There's low. Here's me. Here's medium. Ooh, that feels good. Ow. Gonna make this video quick. Yeah, I'm putting stuff together, so I gotta make this quick. I'll try to make another video of this one someday. Alright. Now what we're gonna do is there's medium. Now we have high. See? I really like this fan. Ooh, that feels good. Blows a lot of air on high. Blows a little air on medium, it blows less air on low. Just ignore that, that's just my mom. Alright. Alright. Now we'll turn it off. You know what? We'll keep it on medium. See? And yes, this is only controlled on one wall switch. That turns the lamp on. Alright guys, there y'all go. Thanks for watching. Until then, these are all the ceiling fans in my grandma's house. In her new house, and I'll make more videos soon. Until then, thanks for watching. Until then, if you have any comments, feel free to leave one. Until then, that's it.